旅客朋友们，欢迎您选乘星空联盟成员中国国际航空公司航班。我们很高兴和所有凤凰之音贵宾再次相见，并欢迎更多旅客加入国航常旅客计划。我们的
乘务员请进行客舱安全检查 ，Cabin crew please start the safety check。
机已经准备起飞，请您系好安全带，调直座椅靠背，放下座椅扶手，收起小桌板及脚踏板，打开遮光板，确认手机关闭或处于飞行模式。非单手可持握的小型电子设备关机，并放置于行李架内或妥善存放。同时，全程禁止使用充电宝、锂电池移动电源为电子设备充电，并确保充电宝电源处在关闭状态。如果您的电子设备滑落到座椅内，请您联系乘务员协助寻找，不要自行移动座椅，以免设备损坏。为保证您和他人的人身安全，一旦发生紧急情况，所有旅客必须严格听从机组人员的指挥。在应急撤离过程中，禁止携带任何行李。祝愿您有一段愉快而舒适的旅程。我们即将为您播放安全须知录像，请留意收看。现在由乘务员进行客舱安全检查，谢谢。Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard Air China, a proud member of the Star Alliance. To our Phoenix Smiles members, it's a pleasure to see you again, and we are looking forward to inviting more passengers to join our frequent flyer program. Now that we're almost ready for
Hello, ladies and gentlemen.
欢迎您选乘中国国际航空公司班机。
Welcome aboard this Air China flight.
为了您的安全，请留意收看机上安全注意事项。
For your safety,
请系好安
please
全
pay
带，
attention
调
to
直
the
座椅
safety
靠背。
instructions of this flight.
请将行李放在行李箱内或您前面座椅下方。出口和通道请勿摆放行李，禁止随意拉动应急出口刹。
Please stow your luggage in the compartment or under the seat in front of it. Please do not block the exit or cabin aisle with your belongings. Do not hold the emergency exit handle arbitrarily.
飞机起飞和下降前，请调直座椅靠背，收起小桌板、脚踏板，打开遮光板，并系好安全带。
When the plane is taking off and landing, please return your seat back to the upright position, stow and secure.
马上把手机调成飞行模式。
Please fasten your
好的，谢
seatbelt.
谢。
把手机调成飞行模式。特别从客舱广播及安全带信号的发预示。
For unexpected turbulence, please keep your seatbelt fastened for the duration of the flight, especially follow the instructions of cabin announcements. plugging earphone cables or power cables.
笔记本电脑、平板电脑等超过单手或是限制的便携式电子设备，应关闭电源并安全放置你的行李架中，以确保紧急情况下的通道畅通与安全。当你的电子设备不慎掉落到座椅缝隙内，请寻求乘务员的帮助，而不要自行调节座椅。
For portable electronic devices, such as laptops and tablets that cannot be held with one hand, please switch them on and secure them on the luggage racks, so as to ensure that the aisles are unblocked and safe in case of emergency. If your electronic device falls into the seat gap, please ask for cabin crew's assistance, instead of adjusting the seat by yourself.
一旦发现飞机受到电子干扰或出现紧急情况，请听从机组人员指令，关闭电子设备。
If the flight is experiencing electronic interference or is in an emergency situation, please follow the instructions of the flight crew and switch off electronic devices.
机上全程禁止使用对讲机、卫星电话等一项带有遥控装置的便携式电子设备，禁止开启和使用充电宝。
During the whole flight, interphones, satellite phones, and portable devices, remote controls are prohibited for use. Power banks are also not allowed to switch off for use. 机上全程禁止吸烟，包括电子烟，禁止出动卫生间内烟雾探测器及机上各种仪器设备。 Smoking, including smoking electronic cigarettes, is strictly prohibited throughout the flight. It is prohibited to trigger the smoke detectors in the laboratory and other emergency equipment on the plane.
氧气面罩储藏在你的座椅上方，发生紧急情况时会自动脱落。用力向下拉面罩，尽快罩在口鼻处，将袋子套在头上进行正常呼吸。如要帮助他人，需自己先戴好。
The oxygen mask is located above your seat. The mask will be released automatically in case of decompression. Pull the mask firmly downwards and immediately use it to cover your nose and mouth. Fix the elastic band around your head and breathe normally. You should secure your mask first before assisting others.
救生衣储藏在你的座椅下面或扶手中间。
A life vest can be found under each seat or between the armrests.
水上迫降时取出使用，经头部穿好，袋子从后向前扣好，系紧。
They should be used in the event of an emergency ditching. Please slip it on over your head, buckle up, and fasten the straps.
在客舱内不要充气，离开飞机前再打开充气阀门。充气不足时，可使用人工充气管继续充气。
Do not inflate the vest until you leave the cabin. If your vest needs further inflation, you could use the manual inflation tubes.
飞机紧急迫降时，取下所有坚固物品，做好防冲击姿势，直到飞机完全平稳。
If the plane is to make a forced landing, please remove all sharp objects, brace for impact until the plane comes to a complete stop.
本架飞机应急出口均已分布在客舱内。
The emergency exits of this plane are evenly distributed in the cabin.
发生紧急情况时，客舱通道和出口处的应急照明指示灯会自动亮起。
In case of emergency, emergency indication lights along the aisle and exit will light up automatically.
请听从乘务员的指引，从最近的可用出口离开飞机。撤离时禁止携带任何行李。
Please follow the flight attendant's instructions and take the nearest available exit to leave the airplane. Please do not take any luggage with you during evacuation.
要用这种姿势要紧环衣。
In this posture, you can jump onto the inflatable escape slide.
在您座位前口袋里备有安全须知卡，请尽早阅读。
The safety instruction card is provided in your seat pocket. For your safety, please read it as soon as possible.
当你需要帮助时，请联系乘务员。
Please contact flight attendants when you need help.
女士们、先生们，感谢您的关注，祝你旅途愉快。
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your attention. We wish you a safe and pleasant journey.
女士们、先生们，大家好，我是本次航班的安全保卫组长。
飞机即将起飞，卫生间暂停使用，乘务员回执勤座位就座并锁闭卫生间。 Cabin crew, please be seated for takeoff.
根据中国民用航空局的统一要求，现在进行客舱安全广播。根据《中华人民共和国治安管理处罚法》和《中华人民共和国民用航空安全保卫条例》的有关规定，损坏机上设施设备、吸烟、违规使用手机和其他电子设备、抢占座位和行李架、干扰乘务组正常工作等扰乱客舱秩序的行为，将会被处以罚款、治安拘留等处罚，严重者会被追究刑事责任。同时，依据国家相关法律规定，飞机客舱为食品采集公共区域，请您支持配合。为了您和本次航班全体旅客的安全，我和我的组员及全体机组成员将认真履行安全职责。谢谢。
Ladies and gentlemen, attention please. I am the security team leader of this flight. According to the requirements of the Civil Aviation Administration of China, it is my duty to inform all passengers on the cabin security of this flight. In accordance with the Public Security Administration Punishments Law of the People's Republic of China and the regulations of the People's Republic of China on safety and security of civil aviation, you may be subject to penalty, security detention, or even criminal punishment if you are caught with the following behaviors: damaging the onboard facilities and equipment, smoking, using mobile phones or other electronic equipment illegally, grabbing seats or luggage racks, interfering with flight attendants' work, and other behaviors that disturb the normal order in the cabin. In accordance with relevant laws and regulations of People's Republic of China, the passenger cabin is a public space and will be subjected to audio and video collection. Your support and cooperation is greatly appreciated. To ensure the safety of you and all other passengers, my team members and I, together with the entire crew, will perform our duties conscientiously. Thank you.
先生们，飞机马上就要起飞了，请您再次确认您的安全带已扣好系紧，手机处于关机状态或调至飞行模式，谢谢。Ladies and gentlemen, our plane will be taking off shortly. Please make sure that your seatbelts are securely fastened and your mobiles will remain switched on or